Alright guys, just tied on my jig. Just gotta cut off my tag in right here. Alright, let's go fish. I'm with my wife today. Try to go for something more natural. Look at something just plopped up over there. You're right, anything trout eat, bass will eat. Spot over there or spot? Yeah. Yes, baby, yes. Our spot, mi amor. Yo te adoro, mi amor. For sure. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Something just almost bitch out there. Oh, something just. Oh. Oh. Are they biting at it? I think so. Oh, there was a blue geeky on it. Oh. You got snagged. I got snagged. You got it, babe? Just break the branch and then, break it off and then untie it. They're here. We got fish here, guys. I'm gonna step down here. Get a better view for you guys. Oh, something almost attacked it right now. We're getting hungry fish here. Huh? You want a natural color like mine? Yeah. It's cool. You could try a natural color like mine. I feel like they like it. They're on it. I mean, they're like biting it and shit, but I just don't have enough time to like snag them up. You want to try using like, let me see. Something like this. Or like this. This is what I'm using. Or crawdad maybe. Whatever you want. You can put it. Huh? Pretty chill out here. I don't think I see anybody else fishing in the pond right now. It's pretty chill. Hopefully we get all the snaggies right now. One of my faves. We'll try this one. This one always gets snagged up right here. It's like the fish see it and they want to attack you right away. I wonder if they have like a, well, I haven't found it, but like more of a brown color like this, like the jig. More like of a brown color, like a bass color, like a brown green. It's coming. Alright guys, try this. There we go again. What the f is going on here? Something doesn't want me to fish. Spinning in circles and fit. You gonna go down there? To the lock? Okay. Oh yeah. That'd be a good little spot. Hopefully we don't fall off. Oh my god. Out here, guys. Alright guys, right here I switched my lure again. Something another more natural as well. I'm gonna try to cast it. I'm pretty sure I'll catch like a bluegill or maybe even a bass, but let's try it. Fish around here. Some bluegills right there. Let's see if we can... Okay guys, this moment right here was the one more castaholic moment. I wanted to move on, but I caught another cast. Oh my god, I almost had a bass on. Let's try it again. Let's try it again because he's seen it. And I see him. Keep it on. Alright guys, I'm gonna move over. There's big ones over there? I'm going. Getting tired of this shit.